The seats of the mayor and the members of all the wards municipal corporations in Haryana are all set to be decided as the voting in the Haryana civic polls begins today. It is all set to be a big showdown between the BJP-JJD alliance and the Congress party, which is fighting on its own logo for the first time in the state. My colleague Amandeep is live with us from Panchkula. Amandeep, an important day. Polling has begun. You're reporting live from Panchkula. We spoke to you an hour ago also. An important day for JJP, BJP and Congress. What are you picking up at the top of 9:30 a.m.? If you could also pan your camera around and show our viewers how the franchise is taking place.
Yes, exactly, Ajizat. Today is a very big day, and in fact, I can show you the visuals that how the voting exercise is being done by the residents of Panchkula, and in fact, in entire Haryana, on 7 different places of Haryana, around 7 lakh voters will exercise their voting rights today to decide the civic polls, either the Congress or the BJP-JJP coalition, just because it is a very big day for both the parties to test their ground today. And in fact, you can see, I can show you the visuals that how COVID protocols are being followed during the casting their vote. In fact, you can see the gloves are being provided to the people for cast their vote. Sanitization is being done, and in fact, all the protocols, and even the 1 hour, last 1 hour from 4:30 to 5:30 is the time when COVID symptomatic people can cast their vote on the polling booths. And even we will try to talk to some voters also, Adhiraj, just because they have some kind of issues in their mind while cast their vote. We'll try to talk to them. Sir, क्या नाम है आपका?
अनिल कुमार सैनी।
अनिल जी, आज जो है सिविक पोल्स हैं, तो क्या कुछ आपके इश्यूज हैं, क्या सोच के आप आज वोट कास्ट करेंगे?
एक मिनट।
His turn is on now. We'll try to talk to another voter also. Sir, what are the issues that in your mind today to cast the vote, just because Congress is contesting on their own for the first time and BJP-JJP coalition is contesting together first time. So what are the issues you are going to keep in your mind during this voting process?
चाहते हैं कि भी पंचकुला सिटी की जो डेवलपमेंट है जो है कि कई सालों से नहीं हो पा रही थी, उसको और भी पेस मिले और फास्ट हो। पंचकुला सिटी को स्मार्ट सिटी में कन्वर्ट किया जाए। यहाँ पर जो हमारे आवारा पशु हैं इनको यहाँ से हटा लिया जाए, और जो यहाँ पर डंपिंग ग्राउंड है जो है उसको भी शहर से बाहर निकाल दिया जाए, और जो बैगिंग की समस्या है इससे भी इसको निजात दिलाई जाए। सो ऐसे इश्यूज़ हैं कि ओवरऑल पंचकुला सिटी को बेटर डेवलप किया जाए। उसी हिसाब से अपना हम जो आज हैं प्रत्याशी चुनेंगे कि जिससे हमें अपेक्षा है कि वो इस कार्य को पूरा कर पाएंगे।
तो आपको क्या लगता है, जैसे बीजेपी और जेजेपी गवर्नमेंट है उसका 1 साल भी पूरा हो चुका है, ये पहला ग्राउंड टेस्ट है उनके लिए कोलिशन के तौर पे, और कांग्रेस भी अपने सिंबल पे वोट लड़ रहा है, तो कहीं ना कहीं उनका भी फर्क रहेगा?
डेफिनेटली जो सरकार है और अच्छा कार्य कर रही है तो उसका जो है पब्लिक के माइंड में इम्पैक्ट जरूर रहता है कि तीनों सरकारें अगर एक साइड पर रहेंगी कि जो सरकार स्टेट में है, सेंटर में है, और अगर लोकल लेवल पर भी हम उसको लेकर आएंगे तो डेफिनेटली इसका इम्पैक्ट रहेगा कि वो अच्छा कार्य कर पाएगी।
So, Adhiraj, these are the issues that people are keeping in their mind while casting their votes. I still show you the visuals that security is also being deployed here just to avoid any kind of uncertainty and to maintain the law and order situation. Just because these are the civic polls, and in fact, these are very important polls. All the eyes are on these polls just because all the big leaders, big faces remain grounded for the campaign of these polls. Yes, Adhiraj.
All important developments coming in. Many thanks for tracking those for us. The very important day for Haryana. Polling is underway. We'll be tracking this story for you and getting you the latest ground reports. Moving on.